Welcome back, guys. Today we'll be looking at the geolocation feature within the DALUA Ecosystem app. So let's go to schedule control. As we know, create schedule at the bottom. So now let's click on DALUA schedules, and then from there let's try Reef Realism for something new. So as you know, this is an advanced schedule and you can easily cycle through the different times and spectrums, but let's click the last icon, the graph looking icon there, and now you can click on the geolocation button. So the first thing you'll see is lots of different cool looking weather icons and many different locations from around the world. These are all world famous reefs that most of your corals in your tank are found in. So how does geolocation help your aquarium and, more importantly, your corals? Other apps use a similar idea to geolocation with a technique called coral respite, where for 3 to 4 hours per day, the spectrums increase and decrease intensity from 100% to 80%. But the problem with this is it's at the same time every day and totally not random like Mother Nature is. The DALUA Ecosystem app automatically 1,000 times a day changes your predefined spectrum based on the cloud cover of that reef at that time. So a real world example would be you've set all your channels to 100% and it's a sunny day on your selected reef. There will be no changes to your spectrum whatsoever. However, as the day progresses, it turns to slightly cloudy and then later in the afternoon turns to overcast or thunderstorm. You'll notice a dramatic shift in the spectrum that those clouds would actually have in real life on your lights. Please remember, this happens over 1,000 times a day. It is very discreet and it interacts with your schedule through our algorithm. And this is why you no longer need hundreds of time points throughout the day, because the app does it all by itself. Another thing to note is that time zones are not affected. All the app is doing is taking the exact weather on that exact reef and uploading it into your lights at your precise time. So now let's go ahead and choose the reef in the Philippines. You'll now notice the geolocation is activated by the green button there, and all you need to do is press save or save and upload. Now let our weather algorithm do its thing naturally. So just like our previous videos, we've opted for the save button only. So once you click in the name of your schedule, click save, and then you'll notice it in the My Schedule section at the bottom there as Geo Weather, but it is not uploaded. Thanks for watching, guys.